Myself VC Pathak, class 10th chemistry, acid bases and salts. Lesson 2 is acid bases and salts. Today important differences between acid and alkali, organic acids and mineral acid, and bases and alkali. Now first distinction between acid and alkali. These differences are most important for CBSE examination. First distinction between acid and alkali. Acid, the compound formed by the reaction of acetic oxide in water is called acid. For example, hydrochloric acid HCl and nitric acid HNO3. Alkali, first point, the hydroxide of metal which dissolve in water is called known as alkalis. Example, NaOH, KOH and NH4OH. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Second point, in acid, these turns litmus solution red. You should always remember ABR. A means acid. Acid turns blue litmus into red. Second point, in alkali, these turns litmus solution blue. You should always remember BRB. B means bases. Bases turns red litmus into blue. These are the differences between acid and alkali. Now, second distinction between organic acid and mineral acid. Organic acid contains COOH functional group, while mineral acid contains hydrogen ion. Second point, in organic acids, these acids are weak. Second point, in mineral acid, these acids are strong. Example of organic acids, ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Formula will be CH3COOH, vinegar. Second, lactic acid. Lactic acid occur in milk or in curd. Third, citric acid. It occur in lemon or in orange. Second, these acids are strong. Example, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Now third distinction between base and alkali. Base is defined as a substance which contains a hydroxyl group, that is called base. For example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, and third, AlOH thrice, aluminum hydroxide. These are all base. In alkali, the hydroxide of metals which dissolve in water are called alkalis. For example, NaOH, KOH and CaOH twice, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Important point, AlOH thrice is a base but not an alkali, as it does not dissolve in water. That's why it is a base, not an alkali. Second point, important point, all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.